Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and I want to show you exactly what these guys did with this unit I'm working on here, and I want to show you everything that is wrong with this unit. It's definitely a hack job, and I use this word very loosely. Anyway, so the first thing they did, I came to this unit. Let me just back up so you guys could see the unit. And this is an upstairs unit. And when you have an above ground unit, that the unit is not in the basement, by code there should be a pan. As you can see here, there is no pan, so we need a pan here. They also just put this, and I just wired this up. This was not wired. This is your condensate pump. They should also have a float switch with a pan, so this unit is definitely not up to code. So I want you guys to show you that. Another thing that they did that they couldn't take no time to do the work is the filter rack. So to change this filter, you have to shove your hand all the way in the middle of the unit to get the rack. So it's like totally crazy that how you have to do this. Now look at the gas line. The gas line is run from here to the back of the unit. So to change this filter, you have to deal with this gas line. You have to, this is the ductwork, this is the return. You have to shove your hand right here in the middle of it to get it. So totally crazy the way they did it. Condensate pump, I actually did wire the condensate pump, because first how they had it, the condensate was not wired, so I wired it. So now we have to go back, maybe change some stuff in this unit over here, lift it up, put a pan in here, put a float switch. But one of the major problem I'm seeing is here. They didn't use any slips or drives. So what was happening is, as you can see, the unit was sweating. I think I have water. So all over the floor there is water, because the whole duct, when it was on, it was sweating. So if you look at my hands, you can see there is water in my hands because the duct is sweating. The reason why the duct is sweating, because you're mixing hot air with the cool air. I'm gonna show you how bad this is. This is so bad that I can take my hand and I can actually shove my whole hand inside this duct. So there is nothing holding this duct, so we got to take this unit off and do it over. This is how bad this is. So I just want to show you guys, I call them the wall of shame. So this company really did a terrible job on this unit. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and please don't forget to comment and subscribe, as gotta get to work. There is so much things that is wrong here. Alright guys, see you on the next video, and see you next time. Thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. See you.